In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Perplexity AI assistants, specifically designed as your personal motivation assistant. In this easy tutorial, we're going to walk through the steps to set up an AI that provides motivational affirmations and mindset tips whenever you need a boost. The first thing we're going to do is open your favorite web browser and head over to Google. This is where we'll begin our journey. Once on Google's homepage, simply type Perplexity into the search bar. Perplexity is an AI platform that allows you to create and use different AI models, including those tailored for personal motivation. After searching for Perplexity, click on the official Perplexity website link in the search results. Ensure it's the official website to avoid any unnecessary redirects or confusion. Now, this is where the fun part begins. We'll create a prompt that instructs the AI to act as your personal motivation assistant. In the prompt box, you'll want to write something like this. I want you to act as my personal motivation assistant. Whenever I ask for motivation, give me short, powerful affirmations, mindset reminders, and motivational messages that match my current mood and goals. Keep the tone encouraging, energetic, and simple. You can ask a quick follow-up question if you need clarity about my situation. Always give me 3 to 5 affirmations and one actionable mindset shift I can apply today. This prompt is the foundation of your personal motivation assistant, ensuring it knows exactly how to respond to your requests for motivation. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, simply hit the Submit button. Now, let's move on to testing. We need to make sure the AI understands and can execute your requests effectively. Start with a simple prompt like, I feel really lazy today. Give me some affirmations to help me get moving. This test will give you a feel for how the AI processes your input and provides meaningful responses. Again, hit Submit to see the magic unfold. You can continue this by creating another prompt to explore the AI's capabilities. For instance, if you're feeling emotionally heavy, you might type a request like, I feel emotionally heavy. Share a few grounding reminders. Submit this and observe how the AI delivers grounding, motivational advice tailored to your needs. Throughout this process, you'll notice how versatile and responsive your new AI assistant can be, adjusting to various emotional states and providing personalized motivational content. This setup is not just about giving you affirmations, but empowering you to make everyday changes that positively impact your mindset and productivity. And there you have it. You've successfully created and tested your personal motivation assistant using Perplexity AI. It's a powerful tool to keep in your motivation toolbox, ready to offer guidance whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this assistant brings you inspiration and motivation in your daily life.